how to split screen on Android. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on your Android phone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. First, open up the app you want to use. Now press the 3-line button or the recent apps button, usually in the bottom right corner depending on your phone. You'll see all your open apps in a scrollable view. From here, tap and hold on the app icon at the top of the preview. In the menu that pops up, tap Split Screen or Open in Split Screen View. Now, choose the second app you want to use, just tap it. I'll go with Studio for this example. And there you go, we're now in split screen mode. You can adjust the divider in the middle by dragging it up or down to give more space to one app. When you're done, just drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom to exit split screen. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.